Hey, it's Phil for Go Autos Columbia Chrysler. How are you? How is everybody? I'm doing well. I wanted to touch base with all of you out there and let you know who I am and what I'm about and what I plan to do this year. 2014 is the year of challenge for me. It's 12 by 12. 12 cars in 12 months. 12 cars per month in 12 months. 144 cars sold by December 31st, 2014. That is my challenge to myself. I entered the car industry, or the car retail industry, automotive retail industry in the last 10 months. So I've been around for a little bit. There's still so much to learn. I'm passionate about connecting consumers to products, services, and brands that I truly believe in. And I'm going to keep doing that directly here on the front lines with people who enter our store and people who I talk to, representing Chrysler, Go Auto, and the brands that I sell. I'm really excited to help people out this year. Like I said, 2014, the year of challenge, also the year of the horse. So hardworking, fast pace, all or nothing, leave it all behind, just go for it. So I hope you guys are well in the world of the internets and would like to come and visit me. And if you have any questions about any of our products, services, or any questions at all, you want to go for a drive, come see me. Phil at Go Autos Columbia Chrysler, 604-339-6577.